she's beautiful. This is the girl that you want to show off and be like, yeah, this is my bitch, right? My bitch. This is mine. Yeah, she's mine. Look at her. My bitch. That's how beautiful she is. So I was messing around with this beautiful chick. But the thing is, before I even tell the story, this story is going to save you a lot of headaches. You can protect your reputation because when you're messing with beautiful girls or just girls in general, sometimes as you rise, as you become high value, as you become more successful, they are going to want to have more power over you. And when they see that you are not a sucker, they're going to come up with false accusations just to destroy your reputation or to mess up your life. So this video is going to save you a lot of time, a lot of headaches, and protect yourself in a manly way, not by being a sucker, not by giving away your power. When you're a smooth operator, you get mistaken for a nice guy. So I'm nice when it's necessary. But then again, I'm also ruthless when it's necessary. So, like I told you, I was messing around with this beautiful girl. Nice girl. I'll give it that. But the thing about beautiful girls is just that they are only good for side chicks. They're not good to be main chicks. Not at all. So I was messing around with this girl. Long story long, I almost said long story short, and this is just the beginning. Long story long, watch this shit, motherfucker. Long story long, this is girls' game. Girls in the beginning, they are compliant, they do everything that you want, they follow your lead, they are nice, so that you can get attached to that type of behavior. And when she senses that, oh, he is attached, guess what she do? She pulls the rug out of you and then you fall. That's when you guys fall in love. And fall implies that you're losing control. You fall. This is how you guys fall. Okay? They're compliant in the beginning of the relationship or the situationship. They act all nice, doing everything right. They are respectable beings, and you get addicted to that. And then she pulls it away, and then you start chasing her and worshiping the ground that she walks on. So a minor thing happened between me and this girl. Minor thing. Just a small thing. Normally she texts me like normally each and every morning. She hits me up. Good morning, honey. Good morning, baby. Blah blah blah. Checking on you. Every morning she does this. And this is a beautiful girl. Mind you, I love this girl. I care about her. She's beautiful. This is the girl that you want to show off and be like, yeah, this is my bitch, right? My bitch. This is mine. Yeah, she's mine. Look at her. My bitch. That's how beautiful she is. A lot of guys would love to just show her off to their friends. So the girl, she's thinking maybe, oh, I'm one of those weak guys because, like I told you, I'm nice when it's necessary. When you're compliant, oh, I'm nice. I will give you whatever you want. That's within the boundaries that I've set. So, yeah, the girl acting nice, everything is smooth. Normally, I get a text or a call each and every morning from her. Okay, because we don't stay together, and I don't like staying with girls. So we don't stay together. She stay at her place. I stay by my place. Every morning, I expect a good morning text, a checkup, and sometimes I do it as well. When I get time, I do it as well. So mind you, this is not like I'm being a tyrant. This is not like I'm being overly possessive and controlling. No, this is just something that we build up within the months that we've been messing with each other. So anyway, we ended up fucking. So early on in our situationship, we fucked. Now, mind you, I told you that the girls game in the beginning they comply and they give you whatever you want, especially if she can see that, oh, this guy is building, this guy is on his way, he's rising, he's becoming more successful. And at the time I was at best selling author. The thing is, Amazon have fucking deplatformed me. Anyway, I say that to say this. Chicken sense she's messing with the boss. That's what it is. She's messing with the G. So she's compliant, everything is nice. But this minor thing that happened between us. Okay, we stopped talking at all. Like, oh, that's it. So how I'm hardwired, when we stop talking, in my head, I'm thinking like, oh, okay, it's over. It's over. We're done. I don't have to tell her that, but according to her behavior, like, excuse me, woo, I haven't had breakfast or anything yet. But anyway, let's work. So according to her behavior, because when girls act out of pocket, they expect you to come crawling and worship the ground that they walk on. So we stopped talking, and I was like, oh, okay, it's over. I'm not going to text you and say, hey, it's over, I don't want you anymore. I'm not one of those. In my head, when you become intolerable, I break up with you. I don't have to announce it. That's how I'm hardwired. I was like, you know what? If she doesn't come crawling to me, because it's not like I did like something wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. She just starting to act like indifferent, out of pocket. I couldn't really put my hand on it. I don't know what it is exactly, but she it's just a test. You know, each and every week they just present you with a test that you have to pass, an exam that you have to some shit test. She's going to test you. This is how girls act. Like every once in a while they're going to try to disrespect you or do some shit that you know that she knows that you're not going to tolerate, but just to see how you're going to act, just to so that you can check her, put her in line. So anyway, that happened. Okay. And she's expecting me to come crawling to her, but in my head, oh, it's over, we done, we done. I don't have to tell her that. So I went away on a holiday. Mind you, I'm living my life. I'm trying to forget about her. And I did. I think it took about 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken. It took about 2 weeks until she started calling me at night, right? I see a call like, oh, look here. You wanted to have power over me, not knowing who I am. So anyway, I picked up the phone. It's her. She's crying. And it's late at night. You don't love me, yeah? You've used me, yeah? This is how a lot of guys end up with grape accusations. In that moment, I realized, oh boy, because now I'm powerful. I have power over her. Girls don't like it when you have so much power over them. Okay, so they're going to cry, just do things to get their way. So she's crying not because I don't care about her or any of those things. She still wants power over me. So she's crying, accusing me of using her. How did I use you? I mean, we had sex, we had fun, we both had a good time, and then you walked away, and then expecting me to come crawling behind you and I don't know, apologizing for things that I didn't even do. Like I don't know what you expect, but I didn't take it that way because that's how you guys are going to take it. You're going to want to argue with her. No, you stopped talking to me, so I thought. No, I'm a smooth operator. So as soon as she said that, I was like, oh, I'm fucked. But anyway, I've been around. So I told you, baby, you know I missed you. You know I've been thinking about you. Fun as the bitch. Throw her a bone. Okay? Throw her a bone so that she can suck on that bone. The thing is, beautiful girls, they can feel ugly when you don't validate them. They're used to getting attention. They're used to guys just giving them compliments. So when they encounter a real G, sometimes they feel insecure. They don't feel as beautiful as they are because I'm not going to sit there and compliment you and give you validation all day long. I'm busy for that shit. So that's why she was saying, "Oh, you used me," because she expected me to come crawling. If I said, "No, fuck you, leave me alone," hang up the phone, I would end up with a grape charge. I'm telling you. Because girls, they are vindictive. Their only way to get what they want in life is to just be manipulative and manipulate the narrative and change things, false things. That's how they get their way in life, by playing games, mind games, and manipulating things. So I played along with her. I told her, like, hey, baby girl. Because obviously I do care about the girl and I do love her. Okay. Guys, we are easy beings. Like, it's easy for a guy to fall in love than for a woman. So already I love the girl. Like I told you, I'm nice when it's necessary, but I'm also ruthless when it's necessary. So yeah, spoke, finessed her a little bit, famuse, and then things were smooth. But guys, be careful out there. Be careful. That's the moral of the story. Be careful. When you rise in life, you're going to meet a lot of girls that are going to just want their way with you. And if you don't give them what they want from you, they are going to just come up with false accusations. This is the reason why you see a lot of high value men with grave accusations, because they don't know how to protect themselves. They don't know how to like play along, play the game. Okay, she might be the one who's wrong, but she's going to paint the narrative like you are the evil, you are the devil, just because she wants to get her way. So this girl, enough about the bitch, man. Enough about the bitch. I hope you get the moral of the story. Protect yourself and make sure that you keep proof of each and everything that happens between you guys. By each and everything, I mean, like, if you guys had a little night or a little fun, take pictures, just nice selfies with her, just to show that, hey, everything was fine, everything is nice. This is not like I was keeping you hostage, holding you down against your own will. No, just keep receipts. Make sure you take screenshots of your messages with her, things like that, to protect yourself, because it can get ugly real quick. As you rise, you're going to meet a lot of them, and some of them they're going to be jealous, some of them they're going to want their leg back, which meaning like they're going to want revenge, because there are those who are vindictive. There are those who are just like, no, I'm gonna show him. Who does he think he is? Because they're used to having power over the weak males, so they think you're one of those. Protect yourself, fellas.